Well, welcome into On the Go, because you're going to go someplace. And welcome into Bon Appetit, because when you get there, you're going to eat something. And welcome into also to your health, because you're going to be there for a very healthy day to change your life in a very positive way. We have with us again this week Carolyn Strickland. She was here last week making a wonderful avocado. I want to call it a dip, but you call it...
It's a sauce.
Really. It's kind of like a sauce.
Avocado herb sauce.
Yeah. And back again is our good friend Jean Szabo.
That's good.
And you are the Herb Society, you're the chairperson for Herb Day this year.
That's correct.
And that's on April the 20th.
April the 20th, and we open from 8 a.m. till 3 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
We got a big day planned too. We've got lots of vendors lined up. They're going to be carrying all their wonderful goods out early. So we're hoping for a good day, and we have lots of plants. We have lots of crafts. We're going to be able to have music all day long. And we've got our special speaker here, Miss Carolyn Strickland, who's going to be preparing her healthy meal, and you can be able to go in and have samples. She'll be located in the fellowship hall.
And you'll have 3 different things that day that you'll be preparing.
Exactly.
Yep.
All with herbs.
Yes.
She'll be using a lot of different herbs.
I won't be using the herb of the year because that's pretty hard to cook with, unfortunately.
Some herbs are that way, but
Right.
most of them are pretty good. So, but she does a good job and blends them all in.
And this is at Grace Presbyterian
This is at
Church.
Grace Presbyterian
It's
Church.
on the Atlanta Highway right near Bell Road.
On the corner of Bell Road and Atlanta Highway. And the church will be also preparing for their day too. They will be offering barbecue plates for people who would like to have some barbecue. Sorry.
We're going to be healthy.
Yeah. We have all kinds of people there, you know.
Absolutely.
And what they do is, this is part of their fundraising for their mission work too. So we partner with them. We raise funds for our work, which is the Crump Senior Center, to develop and expand on their garden for the seniors there. And we're delighted to have Miss Carolyn come in and help us learn how to eat healthy.
And of course, you talked about plants, but then you can also buy quite a variety of herbs that
We
day
have lots of
also.
herbs and all kinds of plants. We also have lawn art, garden art. We have arts and crafts this year too. And we have some good bakers that are going to be there as vendors this year. So they will be there helping out too. So it will be a wonderful, fun day for the entire family. It's a free event. We have plenty of parking this year.
Yes.
Compared to years past. Last year we had over 3,000 people.
Wow.
So we've expanded a little bit with the neighboring church, and we've expanded our parking facilities, and we've got some help that's going to be helping us there park people too. So it'll be much easier to get in and out this year.
That's great. And you do have to remember that all of the vendors that come to this thing,
Yes.
every one of them, they've got good quality products.
They
You're not
have
going to
very
let,
good quality.
there's no somebody
There's no
that-
yard
there-
sales
There's
stuff.
no yard sales, there's nobody that works the circuit.
No.
And, opens up the box and then closes it up. These are people that do a great job
These
of
are
what it
people
is
that
they're
have
doing.
done their own building. They've made all these. We've got one lady that does beaded spiders, and that's what I'm really excited to see. And then we've got the popcorn lady who's going to be there, and she's going to have herbal popcorn. So different little things like that, and especially some of our vendors have been with us for many years. This is our 27th year.
Wow.
And some of these vendors, like Mr. Tea Guy, he'll blend you up some wonderful tea. You like,
Yes,
and he
yes.
does a good job at it.
Will the rain gauge man be back?
The rain gauge man is one of our old time. He's been there from the day one. That's Ball Tree Bob.
Yes,
Yeah.
I love him.
And he
That's
always books his the day off the next year. So.
Yeah, and if you want to get your grandchildren involved in something that's going to be very good for them and very interesting, bring them out for the day, because there's a lot of activities for kids. I know my grandchildren who are now grown, but they used to look forward every year to us taking, like you say, this has been going on for quite some time. And so I want to find out from you if that popcorn's okay.
Yes.
Can a
yes.
diabetic eat it?
I think so. I've had it before, and there's nothing, as far as I know, there's nothing that
great
bad in
fiber.
it. So lots of fiber. It does have lots of fiber.
Everybody
Right.
keeps saying, well, that's your carb. You can't be eating that continually. But I think it's the nature of how it's made.
Right, and there's a difference in carbs too. We have processed carbs and unprocessed carbs, or simple carbs and complex.
That's right.
Lots of complex carbs are good for you, even if you're diabetic, and complex carbs are popcorn. Popcorn is more of a complex carb.
And you do need carbs.
You do.
Yes.
You do need
Gives you
some
some
carbs.
energy.
Absolutely. It's what your brain runs on.
Well, ladies, thank you so much. It's April
Thank
the
you.
20th, Grace Presbyterian Church.
Yeah.
Easy enough for you to say.
That's
huh?
good, yeah.
Great. On the Atlanta Highway, 8 o'clock in the morning until 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It'll be a fun day. So we'll see you there, and we'll be right back right after this.